Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, and I'm actually in front of one of my favorite residences. It's called Residence at the Grove. It's Residence at the Grove. This is in the Uptown area. And by the way, this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. The Residence at the Grove is definitely one of my favorites. It's several years old and it's just in great shape. It's beautiful. The location itself is awesome. It's just a few minutes away from McKinney Avenue in Dallas, so you can get up to all the fun uptown stuff there. And then in addition, you've just got a delightful place that's just kind of low-key fun and looks great inside. What we're gonna do is we're gonna refilm. It's been several years since we've been here. We're gonna refilm with my new camera that I love, and we're gonna give you just a great feel of what it's like, you know, this year to be in the Residences at the Grove. If you have questions anytime about this really pretty place, send a text. Just use that number below, put it in your phone under Grant Best Dallas Apartments, and send me a text and just say, hey Grant, I'd love to get a virtual tour or a live tour of this beautiful Residences at the Grove. Can you take care of me on that? And I'd be happy to take care of you on that. Or if you just have questions about Dallas in general or about Dallas apartments, you can also send me a text using that number too. Okay, so this is gonna be about 12 videos. They're really short. Just let the videos roll as we start to explore the Residences at the Grove.